Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Chase Bank to Venmo. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to use their Chase Bank in order to use funds for Venmo. How do you actually go ahead and connect the two? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, we're going to open up Venmo. And then on this page here, on the bottom right-hand side, you want to click on the Me tab. Next, you're going to click on Add Money, and then click on From Bank or Debit Card. Now next, you're going to click on Select Debit Card or Bank, and then click on Add a Bank or Debit Card. As you can see, I currently have some bank accounts here blurred out, but just click on Add a Bank or Debit Card, and then click on Bank again. So this is just a verification, a notification that it's going to use Plaid to verify your bank account info. Click on Next, and then on this page here, you're just going to get another confirmation that it's going to use Plaid to connect to your bank account. Click on Continue. And then here you can enter your phone number or continue as guest. So just continue as guest, and then click on Chase Bank. And again, it's just going to let you know that after logging into Chase, make sure you check all these boxes so that your Chase Bank can be connected to your Venmo account. Click on Continue to log in, and it should redirect you to the Chase app if you already have it installed, at which point you're just going to log in and make sure that this box is checked. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Chase Bank to Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.